Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add or update product quantities on Shopify so you can keep your inventory accurate and your customers informed. Start by logging into your Shopify account and heading to your store's homepage. From the left-hand navigation panel, click Products to see a list of all the products in your store. Next, scroll through the list and click on the product you want to update. This opens the product details page where you'll find all the settings for that product. Look for the option labeled Track Quantity and make sure it's enabled. This allows Shopify to manage your inventory properly. Now focus on the Available section, where the current stock quantity is displayed. Click on the number and enter the updated quantity you have on hand. If you just received new stock, type in the new total available for sale. Finally, scroll down and click Save to apply the changes. Your Shopify store will now reflect the updated quantity, ensuring your inventory is accurate and customers know what's available. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll maintain precise inventory, avoid selling out of stock items, and provide a smooth shopping experience. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Shopify tutorials and tips.